Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to be looking at the battery compartment located at the front of the trailer. Underneath the cover, right here between the trailer and the LP gas tank cover, you'll find the batteries. It has a little latching mechanism that holds and locks. It doesn't lock it in place, it just holds the cover in place. You turn the mechanism to allow the cover to open. Inside you'll find two 12-volt batteries connected in parallel. These particular batteries are wet cell batteries. Each battery has two caps that you can pull off and top off the water with distilled, top off the cells with distilled water, and then put the caps back in place. These are 80 amp hour batteries. You can upgrade these to AGM batteries, which will give you 220 amp hours. Or even go to lithium batteries connected with solar panels, mostly used in boondocking or off-grid camping situations. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.